Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to schedule and delay messages on iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. iOS 18 added a new special features. You can easily send any iMessages to someone else with like a letter send letter function. So you can easily send any SMS you want. You can make a particular date, time, and that particular date and time automatically going to a SMS that particular person without you are on that particular time. You might be on the way, sleeping or whatever, but at the same time message will be go there. So anyway, if you want that, obviously you should have iOS version 18. So make sure that you have iOS version 18. So for that you can click here setting, and then you can click here general, and then you can click here about, and then you see I have iOS version 18, so I can easily use that function. If your phone is not, you can go back and click here software update, and you can easily update the latest version of iOS. Anyway, now let me share with you how you can send any SMS to send letter. So anyway, I'm going to open my iMessage. After open the iMessage, I choose somebody and I would like to send a SMS to send letter option. So I'm going to type here, for example, happy birthday, and then I'm going to click here this plus icon, and then we will see there is a iOS version 18 has added a new function which is called send letter. So when you click send letter, from here you can easily choose the particular date and time you would like to send a SMS to someone. So I choose on the 12 a.m. and I type the message which is say happy birthday, and then I'm going to click here send. So this SMS going to be received that person in that particular time. We can see this the Wednesday 20 November 12 a.m. which is really quite interesting. So in that particular time, even I am not in my phone, I'm on the way or I might be sleeping, but that particular time automatically the message will receive that person you added. So this is how you can easily send any message through iMessage by send letter function. Now you might be had a mistake, you might be would like to edit the date, so you can click here edit, and then you can easily choose edit time, and you can easily choose the time if you want. You can change the time and date, and then you can make it here, and now we will see this message will be sent on 22 November 12 a.m. or you might be would like to completely delete this SMS. You can click here this edit click, and then you can click here delete message, and that message is going to be deleted. So this is how you can easily send any SMS through iMessage to send letter option. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.